How to fix someone else is trying to change TikTok password. If TikTok is warning you that someone else is trying to change your password or you are receiving unexpected OTP codes, then here is what you need to do. First, you will open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Even if the hacker did not succeed yet, go to the profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your TikTok profile. Once you're in there, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and navigate to the settings and privacy. There, tap on the account at the top, then tap on the password inside the account. Then all you have to do is simply change your password. Use 12 plus characters and avoid using the same password as Instagram, Facebook or Gmail. After you do so, all you have to do is simply go back and tap on the privacy or security option available there and turn on the two-step verification for your TikTok. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.